Okay, welcome back Nerd Chic. I just finished doing my iPhone reveal, and now we're going to do this reveal on the Samsung wireless charging stand that I got today with Verizon. So anyways, this is the unboxing. It's really, really nice, man. You can feel that. Wow. So you can see, first off is the charger that's in the stand, and it's got the charging port and everything on the back. Stands just like that. Nice. Got a quick start guide. It shows you the quick steps for getting through setting up the charger, which is not hard. You got your wire, of course, and then your basic cable, and it plugs in. So this is a quick charge charger. I'm actually going to test this. I'm going to set it up in just a second and do another video and test it and show you what it does with my iPhone. So let's go see what that does. This is really awesome.